relationship during over the time. So thank you, maraming salamat. We were given a chance, we're given this opportunity to serve again. And kami lumalahok upang makatulong doon sa tingin namin na mga bagay na may mga pangangailangan sa ating bansa. Siguro, if my colleagues will allow me, medyo banggitin ko na muna at susunod na tatanong dyan mamaya is, why are you running again? No, so, there are many reasons and many factors. Number one is I think the bill that I filed before that has not been acted upon should be pushed through. And that is the right sizing of government. 60+% of the budget of government every year, more than 6 trillion, goes to personal services. And a big chunk also of the 40% left goes to debt servicing. So almost nothing is left to be given, distributed to our people. So right-sizing the government really is a very important thing that we should do. And then I would again push for a law that will outlaw fake news, fake contents also. And then the 14-month pay law that I proposed before was not acted upon. And then perhaps the hybrid elections, di ba? Thank you very much. Marami pa siguro iba, pero our time is limited.
Thank you po. 2 minutes introduction for Senator Lacson. Thank you po.
Good morning. Simulan ko ang aking opening statement sa pag-share sa inyo ng aking naramdaman for the past 2 years. Mas magaang kargahin ng apo kaysa pasanin ng mundo. Mas maginhawa na humilata sa kama kaysa bumangon ng maaga at pumasok sa opisina. Mas masarap manood ng Netflix kaysa magbusisi ng national budget. Upon the other hand, I also kept asking myself these questions. Do I feel better doing things for myself instead of helping others? Now, I have the answers. I just filed my certificate of candidacy. Should I be given again the mandate to return to the Senate, I do not have to reinvent myself. I pledge to continue not availing of the pork barrel allocations in any shape or form. I will continue being a vanguard, if you will, of the annual national budget to the best of my ability. I will help President Bongbong Marcos pursue his administration's programs to benefit the majority of the Filipino people in alignment with his SONA message last year and in cadence with my personal credo, ang tama ay paglaban, ang mali ay labanan. What is right must be kept right. What is wrong must be set right. Thank you.
Thank you po. Sir?
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Siguro hinihintay nyo na naman kung ano sasabihin ko rito. Siguro naman hindi nyo na ako ipagtatanong dahil 3 terms na po ako bilang senador. At bumabalik, kung ako ipapalarin ulit, magiging 4 terms na ako rito sa tulong ng ating mga kababayan. At ang ano ko po ngayon ay, ako po ay nasa tourism, ano po natin yung agri-tourism at saka bawat bayan, one product, one town. At yung nga po ano natin. At palalawigin ko po ang naipasa nating batas na pre-legal assistance at tinatawag pong lapid law. Kasi po hindi pa po nila nalalaman ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na po inaapi sa batas na hindi po nila alam na libre po, walang bayad. Kahit sinong abogado na di kampanilya ay pwede po nilang kunin na kasi sa PAW ay hindi po sila pwede maglaban kung PAW to PAW. Ito po kasi pwede po itong pre-legal assistant kung tawagin ay lapid law. Kaya po ako siguro sa experience ko naman, naging vice governor po ako ng lalawigan ng Pampanga na isang termino. 3 terms po ako bilang gobernador. Bali 9 years po ako na nanungkulan bilang gobernador ng lalawigan Pampanga. Kaya at 3 beses na rin po ako, 3 terms na rin po ako bilang senador. Yun lang po siguro sa experience ko ay pwede na akong manungkulan ulit at ulit. Bigyan sana ako ng pagkakataon ulit. Maraming salamat po sa ating mahal na
Okay.
Pangulo na dito binagyan ako dito sa bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po, Senator Lapid. We come now for the question and answer sa media po. Yeah. Any question? Go ahead, Iha. Mic, please. Microphone. Thank you.
Morning po. So nagiging contentious subject ngayon sa Senate, lalo ng budget season, is yung unprogrammed funds. Mababawasan po ba to sa pag na-elect po kayo? Or mas magpo-focus kayo na may line items talaga?
May definition ang program fund, yung UF, under the Special Purpose Fund. Sa inyong kaalaman, tatlo yung bahagi ng ating national budget. Yung regular budget, ito yung naka-appropriate sa mga ahensya. Iba't ibang ahensya across all departments, executive, legislative, judiciary. Yung Special Purpose Fund, nasa ilalim noon yung unprogrammed. At yung pangatlo, automatic appropriations. Ang definition ng unprogrammed fund, napakalinaw base doon sa mga special provisions. Tatlo po yon. Nadagdagan po ng 2 provision, kaya nadamay yung PhilHealth na pondo. At meron pang isa na nadagdag, yung sa foreign assisted projects, na hindi dapat kasi ang General Appropriations Act is a general law. At yung PhilHealth law, as amended, pati yung Universal Healthcare Act, those are special laws. And basic po ito, alam ng mga abogado, alam din ng mga mambabatas, na hindi pwedeng amendahan ng general law ang special law. So yun po ay aming dalawang ipaglalaban kung sakaling kami mabibigyan ng isa pang pagkakataon.
Next question, please. ABS-CBN.
Sirs, maganda umaga po. Welcome back.
Dagdag ko lang sandali, no? Doon sa sinabi ko kasi kaninang proposal din namin yun na right sizing, that includes budget reform. And that is going to address that particular issue. Right?
Okay, sir. Para rin po, although alam ko, sinagot nyo na to once, no? Pero ang lagi po kasing tanong is, ano yung magiging role ng Macho Black sakaling magbalik sa Senado, considering na part po kayo ng mga in-endorse ng Pangulo?
You see, meron kaming more or less line of thinking, Hindi naman nagkakalayo-layo yung line of thinking namin. And part of what the opening statement of Senator Lacson kanina, yung nakapahinga ka. Yung nakapahinga ako from 2004 to 2010. Pagbalik ko ng 2010, ang dami kong nagawang nakita mo from the outside, like yung mental health law, yung free medical scholarship, yung mga ganun, biglang nakikita mo yung mga pagkukulang. This time, sa amin, I am sure, at ito'y napapag-usapan na namin, we need to review law enforcement and look at how the efficacy of government services is being executed so that incidents like the Alice Guo issue will never happen again. Ganun
Tulad ng sinabi ko sa aking opening statement, na yung I do not have to reinvent myself kasi yung dati kong ginagawa sa Senado, and I think si President Bongbong Marcos